everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix transaction errors on Trust Wallet. The steps are simple and easy, so let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app and log into your account by adding your PIN. Then click on the gear icon and go to Settings. After that, click on the three dots and the name of your wallet. You can also add secret phrases for extra security. Once done, click on the plus icon to add a new wallet. Now go to your phone settings and open the app management. Find the Trust Wallet app and click on it. Then go to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, restart your phone. And that's it. You've successfully fixed transaction errors on your Trust Wallet. It's important to keep your wallet error-free to ensure smooth transactions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.